Don't want calls on Messenger? Disable them now. First, mute specific chats. Open the Messenger app on your device. Here, click on the chat name, and then tap on the profile name. Now, look for the Notifications and Sounds option. Tap on it. Under the Mute Notifications for section, toggle on the switch next to the Calls option. This will disable calls from a specific contact. Second, Do Not Disturb mode. For this, in the Messenger Chats page, click on the menu icon. From the menu, select Settings. Now, scroll and click on the Notifications and Sounds option. After that, at the top, turn on the toggle next to the Do Not Disturb option. A pop-up will appear. Choose the time which you want. This will stop calls in the app. Third, turn off notifications. Go to your settings on your phone. Now, scroll to the bottom and click on Apps. Again, scroll down and look for the Messenger app and tap on it. After that, tap on Notifications, and turn off the toggle next to the option. This will stop all alerts and calls from anyone, and that's it. Follow and subscribe for more tech tips.